Hi, my name is Luis Tapia, and in this video, I'm coming to talk of virtual machine and its components, how it's used in the real business world, and everything under virtual machine. So let's dive into it. So, virtual machine is a is a software based computer running on an actual computer, a real computer, a physical one. Yes. So the components of virtual machine, we have the hypervisor. Let's come back. The components of the virtual machine, we have the host machine. The host machine is the physical machine, like I said, the one that supports the one that supports the virtual machine and allows the virtual machine to be run on it. And then we have the hypervisor, the one that creates and manages the virtual machine. Then we have the virtual hardware, which honestly is very important because the virtual hardware contains the hard drive, the HDD, then it contains the RAM, then it contains the CPU too. So, and the network card, yes. So without the virtual machine, without the virtual hardware, you cannot run a virtual machine. So there are types of virtual machine. We have type 1, which is bare metal. The bare metal is it runs directly. Yes, it runs directly on the hardware. Yes, that's how the bare metal is. It runs directly. And then the type 2 is our friendly ones, the one we normally use, which is the Oracle, VMware, Oracle VirtualBox. Honestly, there's only two that I've used so far, and I think they are the best: Oracle and VMware. Okay, so coming down to it, we'll talk of how VMware is used in businesses and how it supports local businesses, and you know so we'll start by saying virtual machine is widely used because it improves efficiency, reduce costs. Just imagine having to buy different virtual machines. I realized I left something out. Before virtual machine, it actually needs an OS to run. So that's also a key component of a virtual machine. It actually needs an OS to run. Yes. So speaking of the businesses, and I just remembered it because you can run Windows Server, you can run actual Windows, you can run Linux on it, you can run any operating system on a virtual machine and it would work perfectly. So coming to it, the businesses, you have um you have let's say you want to run a Windows server, you want to run an Linux too on virtual machine. It's flexible. It's better than going to buy one machine and another. All what you have to do is to just get the OS for this thing, for the virtual machine, and then you are good to go. So once you have the OS, you do not have any other project. Just run the virtual machine and then you are going. So with that, it saves costs on the businesses. They can be able to run different virtual machines and still gain profit from their businesses. So virtual machine, it's in a way, you can the benefits it brings to like the businesses, and you can run or IT personnel can even run applications and different. Yes, they can test things on it without it affecting their main system. So even if there is a malware and it just gets to the virtual machine, they can just delete it. If there are no important files on that virtual machine, they can just delete it, make a new one, and then they are good to go. So with that too, there's also a security isolation, because yes, once malware has gotten to one virtual machine, you can just take care of it and then you are good to go. So that malware affecting that virtual machine, it wouldn't be able to affect all the other virtual machines. So that one is also a very, very good advantage of using a virtual machine. And also, one thing, virtual machine, you can work remotely, so the employees can just be somewhere, or they can just be in the comfort of their home and just be working on the virtual machines. So this is all I have on virtual machines and how they run. Thank you for watching.